Hello friends, welcome my channel. Today I want to prove another zeta 2k is equal to minus 1 to the power k plus 1 2 pi whole to the power 2k divided by 2 into 2k factorial beta 2k. So friends, very interesting questions, and you see that this is a very tough, but this is not so much tough. This is not so much tough. Here beta 2k is called Bernoulli number. Bernoulli number. So friends, when we want to solve this problem, so we need to know how can we will approach. So here I will write that beta 2k is second Bernoulli number. Beta 2k is second Bernoulli number. Proof. Now I will go to proof. Now we know that z cot z can be written as z into 1 by z minus summation n equals to 1 to infinity, n equals to 1 to infinity divided by 2z into n square and pi square minus z square. You will get these two fact, and because we know cot z equals to 1 minus 2 into summation n equals to 1 to infinity, n equals to 1 to infinity z square into n square pi square n square into pi square, and it can be written as 1 divided by 1 minus n square z square into n square and pi square and z square. So friends, whatever you see that whatever I am doing that this n square pi square from this in here. This is the n square pi square formula. So friends, whatever I just take common from the I write this, and this is 1, and this become this is the subdivisions and z square. So friends, whatever 2 into z square, z into 2z is equal to z square. Z into 2z is equal to z square. So friends, this problem is very good problem. Now you will see, try to understand how I approach this problem. How do I approach this problem? Now let's start. And now you will see, next I go another approach, that z I show that cot z, the formula of the cot z is equal, cot z can be written 1 minus 2 into summation n equals to 1 to infinity z square divided by n square pi square, this way. And now z cot z equals to, can be written z into cos z into cos z by sin z, cos z by sin z, because as a cot z is equal to cos z by sin z, and it can be written z into it can be written iz into e to the power iz plus e to the power minus ij, e to the power minus ij, e to the power ij, e to the power ij minus e to the power minus ij. It can be written this way. Why do you friends? Because cos z, we know cos z is equal to e to the power ij plus e to the power minus ij plus ij divided by 2, and sin z is equal to, similarly we know sin z is equal to e to the power ij minus e to the power minus ij divided by 2 plus ij, and it will be minus ij. So friends, whatever you see that this is cos z divided by sin z, I just divided these two portions, I apply this formula, that's why I get this value, cos z value. Okay, so I hope it is very clear for everyone. I hope. And now I proceed again. I can write this equation ij comma and e to the power 2 ij plus 1 and e to the power minus 2 ij minus 1. It can be written this way, and now you will see that this can be simplified. I just simplified this. I just simplified this. Whatever I have to do, only plus 1 and minus 1. I just added plus 1 and minus 1. So whatever I can get ij plus 2 ij divided by e to the power minus 2 ij, e to the power minus 2 ij, sorry, it is not minus, not it is 2 ij plus 1, e to the power 2 ij, e to the power 2 ij, it can be written minus 1. So friends, whatever you see, you see this, and it can be, and another fact that it can be, it is z cot z formula, and we know this formula. We know that e to the power z divided by e to the power z minus 1. Whatever we know e to the power z into minus 1 is equal to summation n equals to 0 to infinity bn divided by, bn means Bernoulli number, bn into z to the power n divided by n factorial. So friends, we learn, whatever we learn, this formula it is available. This formula is very available in the formula. This formula is very common formula. You can see this is the Wolfram. When you will see this formula, it is Wolfram. You can get this formula from Wolfram, that z divided by e to the power z is equal to n equals to 0 to infinity bn z to the power n whole to the power n factorial. So applying this formula, whatever I get ij, whatever I get z cot z equals to ij plus 2 ij divide into e to the power 2 ij minus 1 equals to ij plus summation k equals to 0, to infinity. I can write, and this formula, and I put this, it is the ij. So whatever I get bn but otherwise I can write bk. I can write bk as my, this is the k, bk and 2iz whole to the power 2k divide by and k factorial. So friends, why it is meant, why I write 2ij? Because listen, this is the z and I write in here z, and here is 2iz, so that's why I putting this value 2iz. So this is very, very simple. I think you can understand my working. And next, whatever I got, I will go z cot z is equal to z cot z equals to whatever I can write. Another fact is that bn, another fact whatever I can get, e to the power z, e to the power z, z cot z equal to iz. Okay, z cot z I can get, and z cot z equal to okay, I can write this way, and iz plus 1 minus iz plus summation k equals to 0 to infinity. I can write, and I can write this way, that bk I can write this way, bk into divide by k equals to not 0, here k equals to 1. When k equals to 0, I can get 1 minus iz. So I get this way 2iz it whole to the power 2k. And another fact, I get k factorial. This is the very simple. And now you see that iz and iz cut. Why iz and iz cut? Because when k equals to 0, when k equals to 0, then it is this formula. But when k equals to 1 and k equals to 0, we can get 1 minus iz, so that I change the summations, k equals to 1 to infinity. Now let's start again. Z cot z equals to whatever I get, 1 plus summation k equals to 1 to infinity, k equals to 1 to infinity beta k into 2iz whole to the power 2k and k factorial. So I get this value. And now comparing the coefficient of the z to the power 2k from 1 and this equation, and now I comparing, this is the equation, this is the equation 1, this is the equation 1, z cot z, and another equation whatever I get this equation, this is the equation 2. So comparing 2 and 1, these two equation I just compared, and whatever I get, and now comparing 1 and 2, comparing 1 and 2, whatever I get when the power is z to the power, when the power is z to the power 2k, so whatever we can get, I can get this equation, b k 2iz whole to the power 2k divided by k factorial. I get this value, I get this value, and number 2, whatever I get in here, I get when I will check that z to the power and this value it can be written another way, and it is the summation convention. I can get another way, it can be written this way: 1 minus 2 into summation n equals to 1 to infinity, and another is summation k equals to 1 to infinity, and it can be written this way, that z square into n square and pi square. This it can be written this way, and it should be z to the power 2k divided by z to the power 2k. It can be written and n to the power z to the power z square and n square and pi square whole to the power 2k. It can be written this way, where k equals to 1 to infinity. So friends, whatever you will see, that z to the power 2k and z to the power k divided by n square, this it can be written this way. Whatever which way I can write 1 by 2 into 2k factorial and minus whatever I can get 2i whole to the power 2k. It can be written how can I read? I can write and it is the factorial. Okay. It can be written, another factor. I made one mistake, that it is 2 and 2k factorial. So friends, whatever I see that it is 2k factorial, and this is I can get minus whatever I can get summation 1 by according to the question you see that n to the power 2k I can get n to the power 2k. n when I comparing the coefficient of the z to the power 2k, then I can get n to the power 2k. Let's see when it is, because this portion and this portion will vanish, then n to the power 2k. And what another fact I will get that I will get that pi to the power 1 by pi to the power 2k, and you will see that here n equals to 1 to infinity. If you see this portion, then you can easily understand that n equals to 1 to infinity, but my comparison is z to the power 2k coefficient, so z to the power 2k and this portion also vanished, so you will get n to the power pi to the power 2k also, pi to the power 2k. So whatever you will get another factor is coming, that minus 1 to the power okay, 2i whole to the power 2k, ठीक है. Okay, now I will get this way, that summation n equals to 1 to infinity 1 by n to the power n to the power 2k equals to whatever I get pi to the power 2k, and another fact I get minus in here, simple I get minus, and summation not, and bk, no sorry, it is also another mistake is it is the b2k, because I considering in here all are 2k, b2k, and it is b2k, all are b2k, okay, b2k, this is the main fact. And so whatever I can get it is the, when I can get beta, so this value is beta to the power beta 2k, and 2ij whole to the power 2k, and divide by, and I will go 2k factorial. So friends, my derivations, and I equal to I square means minus 1. So whatever I can get this value is zeta 2k, whatever you see that this value is zeta 2k, must remember this value is zeta 2k, and equals to I get minus whatever I get minus 1 whole to the power 2k plus whole to the power k plus 1 whole to the power k plus 1, and b 2k into z to the power 2k divide by 2k factorial. This is my total proved. I hope that everybody can understand, and it is the also it can be written 2i and 2 pi, it can be written also 2 pi whole to the power 2k, it can be written 2 pi whole to the power 2k, because I just adjust this value, this pi to the power 2k, and this 2 to the power 2k can be written this way. This is the very simple and easy problem. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy with this problem.